class, India versus New Zealand match. Yes. So we will complete this class. Even I want to watch that match. Okay. So tell me one thing. Yesterday's class, did you found useful? Yes. Good. Did you found useful? Right. So what we will do today is, in the yesterday's class, whatever we have learned, we will continue from that. And what we are going to do today, let me tell you, hands-on, anyways, we are going to do in the next week. Okay, hands-on, I have postponed because I see very less people have joined today. So what we will do today is, I will show you, just understand the importance of that, like what we are going to do. So yesterday we have only focused on Jenkins file. Do you agree with me, guys? Yesterday, if you see here in the slots, we have only focused on Jenkins file, right? And you have seen like the scenarios. Today, we will focus on Docker file and the next few files, which you should know for the CI/CD pipeline to build. Make sense, everyone? Right? So whatever we have done yesterday, today's class, we will continue from that. Okay? Here? Okay, great. Okay, right. So just give me one more second. I will come back. Okay, and we will start. Okay, just 1 second, guys. Okay, just 1 second. Okay, so let's start the class. Okay, what is the match status, guys? You guys are telling like, I guess others are watching the match. That's what, like, very less people have joined the Zoom. I don't know why. I feel one of the reason is like the match one. Okay. – 252 is the target. Okay. Okay, done. Job is more important than match. That's very true. So let me gear, guys. Okay, let me take out the things which are important for you for today's class. I'm very much excited, irrespective of the match. I am here to take the class. Okay, so thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for everyone joining this class. So let's start it. Today is match. I know, and definitely India will win. What do you say? Yeah, you have the confidence, right? We will win. Yes, definitely we are going to win. Okay. Right. So yesterday, what we have done, I will give you a little bit of glimpse. Okay. And we will complete the today's session also in a very beautiful way. Right. Beautiful. What do you think? India will win? India will win. I'll just do the small recording. India will win or not? What do you guys have to say? Obviously, कोई शक नहीं है भाई इंडिया जीतेगा. Beautiful, beautiful. India will win, right? Okay, let's see how it goes. Okay, so let's see. Okay, beautiful. Right. Good. Okay, so let's start the class, guys, without wasting much time. So yesterday we have covered the Jenkins file scenarios. Okay, and I have also told you yesterday that how the pipelines are used, and I have also told you all that in this various kinds of compartments, the tech stack for almost all the companies remains same. Correct? The tech stack of almost all the companies remains the same, right? I told you yesterday, and I have even shown you with AI that the tech stack, what you have seen or what you are learning now, is the same that you are going to learn in the other companies also, or do the hands-on in other companies, right? So let's say like Docker, Jenkins, the 8-10 pointers which I have shown you, right? Everything is used in all the companies, right? This is, I have shown you with proof yesterday. Okay, thanks, Prashant. Right. So let's try to understand now the next step of that. And I have also told you that you will have an application. Okay, so all of you write down this in your notebook. Please write down this one in your notebook. The 10 GB of code is converted into the 10 MB of code or the 10 MB of file, which we usually call jar or var. Okay. And this is primarily due to the conversion of which tool? Any idea which tool converts the 10 GB of code into this? That is your Maven. Okay. Now, if you try to understand from 10 MB, I'm trying to convert this file into a container, right? And what is the tool that I'm going to use from here to here? The conversion of this to this? It's Docker. Correct. Beautiful. And from the Docker container, I am going to use something which will help me to convert my container into a pod. What is this? Any idea? This is Kubernetes. So ultimately, guys, if you see, what are we trying to do? Are we doing the shift right process? Shift right. Yes, I am moving from a monolithic. You can consider like monolithic. What do you mean by monolithic? It means that single, right? Or you can consider like on-premise. Correct, on-premise. We are moving from single monolithic on-premise code base to a containerized and to a much more matured way of deployments. All of you agree, right? That's what we have seen yesterday. So someone asked me, Praveen, can you do a recap? That's what we have seen yesterday. And now in today's class, we will try to understand. Yes, it's called microservice based. Now, earlier monolithic architecture was there. Now containers are microservice based architecture. Okay. Very, very much important. Very, very beautiful concept. So please try to understand. Today, I will discuss about few files about Maven and Docker and little bit about Kubernetes. Okay. So yesterday you have seen total class was on Jenkins. Today we will focus on Maven. what are its structures, what are its components, then Docker, then Kubernetes. Okay. And next week, we will do the hands-on. Clear, everyone? So that I will cover this also, then it will be easy for you to complete the hands-on. Okay. Clear? Right. So let's start it. So all of you see here, guys, please write down in your notebook, all the DevOps tools need two things. One is commands and the other is configuration. Okay. One is command, one is configuration. So any tool which you take in 2025, the commands of the DevOps tool you should know, as well as the configurations of the DevOps tools you should know. Clear? That's what I am telling. Very important. You should know both of things. Okay. So let's try to understand in a little bit of deeper way. When I'm talking about Maven as a tool, I told you it will work with Java. And basically the Java has a file called POM.xml. Okay. You can consider like this is the configuration. And the code base is Java and the tool is Maven. Okay, please write down. Basically, the Maven is the tool which will build the code as well as it will download the dependencies. Okay, it will build the code, it will download the dependencies. Okay, and what this Maven reads the file is basically it will read the pom.xml. Now, all of you, let's do a hands-on now. All of you open your phone, right? Open your phone and in your phone, go to any app. Okay. You can go to any app, Swiggy, Zomato, Instagram, or any app. And you tell me what is the current version of the app. Please tell me, all of you, anyone, if you have Paytm, open Paytm. If you have any app, you all can open any kind of app. Okay, that you know. Basically, what I'm trying to tell you is whenever you open an app, that app will have a version associated with it. And all the deployments of versions are done by DevOps engineers. That's what I was about to tell. So please tell me, okay, LinkedIn version. Okay, Sai is telling LinkedIn version is 4.1.1041.2. What about other versions? Yeah, 4.10 LinkedIn, right? Instamart. Okay, Swiggy, Instamart, we will take 4.7.5. Okay, 754. What about others? Someone is telling Instagram is 370.10.0. Someone is telling Paytm is, okay, right, guys. These all apps, okay, Anjali is telling WhatsApp. So let's write down WhatsApp also. 2.25.5. Okay. So any other versions do you remember, guys? Any other app versions do you remember? Okay. Please tell me some other app versions also which you are aware. Okay, Paytm, you are telling 10.5.31, Instagram, WhatsApp, PhonePe. So any other apps do you remember so that I can write it and I can tell you that, okay, boss, that's how the conversion happens. Okay, Domino's is 11. Flipkart is 8.19. Okay, that's how the things are working. Okay, let's see. Okay, now why these versions are important? Let's try to understand. That's very much important, right? So all of you see here, guys, all of you see here, what common things are you seeing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. What is the common? Okay, Hey DevOps app is 0.8.15. That's fine. So what is the common thing? The versions in your phone are basically 3 or 4. Do you agree with me? All of your application versions are either 3 divisions or 4 divisions. Do you agree with me? See, 5 divisions we will not consider as of now because I never deployed 5 versions. But you can try to understand that the 4 versions which we have deployed, or the 3 versions in Walmart or any other company I worked, I maximum deployed 4 versions for an application. Now, what are these versions? How this versioning is done? Let's understand. how the versioning is done for an application. How many of you know this? How many of you know? Any idea? Okay, now let's try to understand some things. Please see here, every version is taken care by these applications. Please see here, Maven or Gradle or Ant. Okay, these are build tools which reads some file and provides the output as 10.1.2.3.jar. Let's say I am working in Walmart. So my application output will be supply chain hyphen the jar. Are you able to understand? If I want to deploy this into Android, I will convert this entire application into the Android structure and I will deploy it into the Play Store. Correct? So let's understand this, how an application is placed in a Play Store. How many of you know? How many of you know how an application is placed in a Play Store? Simple. Okay, let me tell you. The CI/CD pipeline is there. The CI/CD pipeline deploys the data onto the, maybe let's say Kubernetes or any other things like Android Studio, right? I hope you would have heard this, but if you have not heard, no issues. So basically, all the deployments in any company where you see like these kind of things, majority of the deployments are taken care by CID and CI/CD, and deployments are done on the Kubernetes or Android Studio. Now, let's understand what is POM.xml. Okay, people on YouTube, please like the video, guys. Very important. Okay, so you have to do this so that it's very helpful for me also. Okay, let's understand. All of you see here, I will ask ChatGPT the basic POM.xml with version. Okay, the basic POM.xml for Java code with version. Okay, do you want me to ask about Walmart's projects POM.xml? Yes. Okay, so let's query the system, the basic basic POM.xml for supply chain Java code. Supply chain Java code for Walmart application with version. Okay. Maven is only used for Java code. So all of you see here, guys, please see here. This is the sample code for Maven. And how this is going to help you is, I will give you the folder structure. Please write the folder structure for Java. The folder structure for Java will be src folder. And under this, there will be many classes. Okay, controller class, controller.java, or let's say like demographics.java, or let's say like payments.java. All the important code is placed under the src. The next folder is test folder. In this, whatever the test cases you have to write for this, let's say like demographic test.java. Let's say payments test.java. Okay. And there will be one more folder called resources folder. There will be one more folder called dependency folder. Okay. In this folder, whatever my Java code needs for it to run, all the dependencies will be here. In batch 11, Obviously, I'm going to show you a Java code. I'm going to entirely drill down into each of the files and show you very depth concepts, because here after this, I need to cover Docker, how this Java code is getting converted into containers. And then I have to tell you the Kubernetes part also. So I will touch base on the high level part, but in batch 11, those who have joined me, you will try to understand that we are going to touch base everything deeply, and you will understand very easily that, okay, if tomorrow, let's say you are getting a Java code in your project, that's how you need to work. You will be easily able to understand. Okay. So let's try to understand now. Very simple. The dependencies, the resources, the test cases, the SRC folder. The primary thing in this is one more file called pom.xml. Please write down, this is project object model. Now, whatever you are going to see in the chat GPT, this file only we are going to show you. Okay, all of you see here, guys. Please have a look here, all of you. Developers will write the code, but as a DevOps engineer, you need to know everything what is written in pom.xml, what is written here. Because let's say I am running this code in the pipeline and the pipeline fails. Whose responsibility is pipeline maintenance? Whose responsibility is pipeline's maintenance? Correct? DevOps engineers only? Yes. Do you agree with me? Yes or no? Everyone? So which you are aware. Okay, Paytm, you are. Okay, now all of you see here on the screen, guys. Please see here. Do you see something like com.walmart.supply chain, supply chain application, and version and packaging? These three are very much important. Please take a note on the book. I'm going to share. I have shared in the chat also. Okay, please write down this. Very much important. Okay, all of you have written. What about people on YouTube? Have you guys written? Good. Okay, so uh, people are telling so many things. Okay, DevOps engineer, right? Obviously, DevOps engineer will do. Okay. Okay, Guru, you are there. Okay, thanks, Guru, for joining. Okay, so Guru is telling like the proper folder structure. That's what I told you, right? So I will not go into depth. But yeah, guys, this is the proper folder structure. You can take a note. SRC has main resources, this one. And, oh, sorry. Okay. How I can get into the chat? Okay. And SRC test. Okay. So you can take a note. Okay. Now all of you see here, whenever I was talking about the pom.xml, this is very much important, guys. So tell me, once I run this code, okay, can you tell me like what will be the output? Let's say I pass the Java code with this pom.xml. All of you see here. I pass this Java code with this pom.xml over the CI/CD pipeline. So can you tell me what will be the name of the jar? The jar coming as output, what will be the name? Any idea? Any idea what will be the name of the jar? See here, see here, see here and tell me. Okay, beautiful. The name of the application will be artifact ID dot version dot package. Please write down. Okay, I'm going to write the output here. The jar name will be coming from the pom.xml, and the name will be artifact ID dot, next one is version dot jar, or you can take it as a packaging. Does this make sense, guys, to you? Artifact ID, it means supply chain dot application dot 1.0.0 dot jar. Artifact is a file, which I told you here. What is artifact? Please see here. I told you, right? What is artifact? This is artifact. Please, okay. So please take a note here. The jar, the var, whatever you call it, or artifact, or binary, you can call anything. Okay, jar, var, artifact, or binary, you can call it anything as per your understanding. That is what the artifact is. Okay, now all of you see here. Do you see something like parent? Yes. And do you see something like dependencies and dependency? Okay, now you tell me, did you guys yesterday saw Jenkins stage, which was having stages and stage? So do you see like plural, singular, similar, correct? So tell me one thing. The Jenkins need Jenkins file. The Maven needs what? The Maven needs what? The Maven needs POM.xml. Okay. So the Jenkins needed Jenkins file. The Maven needed POM.xml. Okay. And you see here, tell me one thing, boss, to run my application, like we are human being. I want air, water, fire to live. Similarly, for my application to run, these all are dependencies. Everyone clear? Do you understand, guys? Yes, these all very important, because if you do the coding, basic thing they will try to ask is, do you know these things or not? Okay. And anytime, whenever the pipeline fails, the first and the foremost thing people will ask is about these things only. Very simple. Okay. Clear, everyone? Now, you tell me, there is something like parent. Can I consider my Walmart supply chain application as a child of one more application? Microservice, right? We are talking about microservice. One service is dependent on another service. The parent is one more. Can I consider that? There is one more parent for me. There is one more parent for this entire application. Can I consider that? Okay. So basically here, if you see, in this, they have mentioned the parent as Spring Boot starter project. But when you do the coding terminology, the parent will be one more project. Like this project, this child project is dependent on one more project. That's where we give the parent. As of now, if you see, there is no parent, no other project, but it is dependent on the Spring Boot starter parent, which is basically a Spring Boot application startup framework. Okay, right. So if you have seen, these all are dependencies. Now, tell me one thing. Jenkins needs tools, correct? Tools to be integrated with it, correct or not? The Jenkins needs tools to be integrated with it, correct? In the same way, the Maven needs some plugins to be integrated with it to run. Okay, correct. So Maven needs plugin as well as dependency. So if you see here, the Maven plugin is Spring Boot Maven plugin. Okay, 1 to 2 plugin we need for our Maven to work. Okay, and Maven also need repository. Do you know GitHub repository? You store the code. JFrog, you store the binary. I have told you yesterday. If you don't remember, let me write it down for you. The GitHub stores the code. The JFrog stores the binary. And what is the next one? The Maven repo stores the dependencies. Okay. Is it clear? So you see here, this is a repository in internet. See here, I will hit this. Is it giving me some repository? What repository is this? Guys, see, some name is coming. What repository is this? It's JFrog repository. But you tell me, if I go into com and org, there are two subfolders here. Okay, now I'll come back. See here, I'm going into folder by folder. Now, what is this? Is this a jar? Correct? So tell me, the Maven needs a repo to have its dependencies stored somewhere. Everyone in the class. If you are in the class, I need a yes, then I will move forward. Do you understood, right? Maven to store its dependencies also needs a repository. And it can be either JFrog or it can be a Maven external repository also. Everyone clear? Makes sense, na? If you want to download this jar, just click on this. I'm going to share this link with you all. You can experience this. This is a dependency jar which our project is using. Okay, which our project is using for basically for getting the things ready. Clear, everyone? And guys, because we need Java, we are passing the properties of Java also. Okay, now you tell me, how many of you understood for the first time? Like, okay, Praveen, this is how the POM.xml looks like. This is how our versions are getting prepared. This is how the repositories are managed. How many of you have understood? And batch 11 people, I'm again telling, these all things we will do in depth. Now I am touching the upper layer only. But in real time, you have to do hands-on on this. Okay, in my class, we will take a Java code, we will do hands-on, we will have Visual Studio, you have to do code also. Okay, don't worry, I will teach you because coding is very important. Okay, clear? Everyone makes sense now? Is it making sense for you? No, it's not difficult to understand. See, this is just 20%. Okay, if you do hands-on, it will be easy. If you do hands-on, it will be very easy. Nothing to worry. You just remember this flow, whatever we have discussed in the last few minutes, and then complete the things. Understand. You will be able to understand. Okay, beautiful. Makes sense, everyone, right? Now, let's understand some more things. Yes. So, okay, one thing. Some people are asking me the structure to remember. Please write the structure, guys. First, group ID, artifact ID, version in the pom.xml, then the parent, then dependencies. Okay. The first layer, the second layer, and the third layer. And finally, fourth layer. Okay. 4 layers in pom.xml. Make sense? Okay. And this is how the JFrog repository looks like. Maybe I will show you in the real time you can experience, but we will do again the complete installation and hands-on of JFrog in class. Okay. And you will do like the binaries upload and all those things you will do in class. Again, in batch 10, batch 11, you will experience all these things in real time integrated with pipeline you will do. So Rupali is asking, I mean dependency, then plugin. Correct. Dependency will first come and then plugin will come. Okay. Clear? Yes or no? Okay, Rushi. Good evening, bhai. Okay, makes sense. Now, all of you just see. Okay, in batch 11, we will complete Python and Java. Okay, so both the code bases we will take. All of you see here how the JFrog looks like. Maybe it's a good example. I got it. I will show you. How many tabs you are seeing? Packages, builds, artifact, and release cycle. Are you seeing this? Yes, Maven code is XML only. Correct. You are correct, Nikhil. Okay. Maven code is XML only. Okay, how many tabs you are seeing? The first one is packages. The next one is build. The next one is artifact, and next one is release lifecycle. So please see here, I am in the tab of packages. And if you are able to see, these all are which packages, guys? Which packages? Please see here. Maven packages. And as a Maven has a version, you see here, version, when it was created, how many times it was downloaded. Okay. And please take this link. You can also experience with me, right? You can also hit this link in Google, open the link and understand, okay, this is how the JFrog looks like. In Walmart, same JFrog only. You can also ask, what do you say, like Agile Guru, okay, who is with us in live. I hope he's there. Yeah, he's there still. So his YouTube channel is also there. You can also ask him. He's a senior architect. You can get all the details. JFrog is open source. Yes, JFrog is open source, guys. And guys, can you give me a like? Can you all like this video? 100 plus likes. Can we make it quickly? Yeah, I will wait for you. If you like the concept, first time you understood, and I'm going to reveal everything now, maybe containers also we will see. Okay. You like the video. If you like it, you make it 100. JFrog is open source. Okay. Share the YouTube video link. Yeah, I have shared here. Here also I have shared, and here also I have shared. Okay. You can make it 100 likes. Okay, Raj Kumar. Yes, we will discuss about the LinkedIn posts also, which you have done. So yesterday you got 1500K reach, and daily you are posting. Total reach has come 8,000. Okay, that's good, Raja. Okay, that's good. Okay, how many likes? 62. Come on, few more. Okay, I'm good. You got free version and paid version. Oh, so Guru is telling about the JFrog. Okay, 16K impressions for 1 week. That's good. Keep on creating the content. And today also, you can post on LinkedIn anything. If you like this slide, okay, this slide, you take a screenshot and happily post that you learned about the Java code structure. And you can tell them that, okay, POM.xml you have learned, or you can take the screenshot of this one, which I'm showing. Okay, not this one, which I have shown you. And when people will see this line, right? com.walmart.supply chain, people will say like you have copied their code. Okay. And you can take the screenshot also and you can post it, or you can take the screenshot of anything like in the class. If you feel that, okay, this is the conversion, how the conversion happens in real time, you can take the screenshot of this also. Guys, why are you not doing the likes? I will feel bad. Quickly, array, Zoom people, what are you doing, man? Have you all joined via laptop only, or you guys are on phone, Android phone? Laptop, right? So why are you not doing that? Half of the people are sleeping in the class. Laptop, right? You click the link, it will take you and give a like. Why are you not doing it? Yeah, done, I know, but what others are doing? Like, unable to use in laptop it will not work. Okay, Preeti. Okay, network issue. Gopal. Okay, beautiful. How we will give app version and it will take automatically? That's what the task is Maven is doing, right, Ram? Maven will read the pom.xml and it will take that into consideration. Okay. Beautiful. Now let's go ahead and understand few more things. Okay, you understood this concept, right? Now let's try to understand some more things in real time. Okay, how the other things are there. Okay, you can post this screenshot also, and you can tell to the people that, okay, Paytm has this version today in 2025, 9th March. LinkedIn has this version. Instamart has this version. What is this? Instagram has this version. WhatsApp has this version. And you understood like how a versioning is done. Okay, you can take the screenshot of this page and you can tell to your people and community. Very beautiful. Okay, now, if you all are clear with this flow, the Java code was there. And with the help of Maven, you converted the code into a small jar. Till here, you are clear, na? How that conversion is happening. Are you clear? The Java code converting into the jar. Clear? No, not clear. Yes. Yes, via Maven. Now, the next step I will tell you, and you will be very much happy to understand what we are going to talk now is about Docker. Okay, now very interesting thing. Whatever I am telling in the class, right? It's your basics. Okay. And with this basics only, you will build the bridge in batch 11 for job. Clear? So I would still request if anyone has not enrolled for batch 11, go ahead and do it, right? It hardly takes one moment for you to enroll with me. Okay. And you will be till April, March, April, May. You will be till May with me. Okay. And after that also, Akila, you stop the YouTube thing, na? Why are you watching YouTube? You pause the YouTube thing. Okay. You stop the YouTube thing. It's from your side. My side, I think I have paused it. Oh, yeah. Okay. So Docker, let's go with Docker. Okay. Now, very important thing and simple. This is the ship which is taking all your containers, let's say India to. Okay. Match is between what? Match is between which people, which today's match, India versus New Zealand. Okay. Okay. And the target is 252, right? If I'm not wrong. Correct. So let's understand that the ship has to travel 252 kilometers to reach New Zealand, okay, from India. And each container has a cricket ball with it. Okay. So different brands cricket ball, these containers are shipping from India to New Zealand, and the total distance is 252 kilometers. Now you tell me, when my ship is traveling on sea, right? There can be chances that container can fall down. There can be chances that ball can have cracks. There can be chances that the ship itself may sink. There can be chances that the ship is not able to take this load, right? There can be chances that the containers are taken away by smugglers. Do you consider these things? Right? Maybe all these scenarios are maybe only, right? Anything can happen with my container. So what the team will do? Do you think that on all these containers, they will map the GPS tracker? Do you agree with me? They will have an eye monitoring. They will check what is the weight of the container. Each container will have an ID, and each ball will have an ID. Do you get me? Yes, everyone understood, right? Each container will have an ID. With that GPS tracking will be done. And the ball, whatever the packets are inside the container, they will also have an ID. Everyone, yes or no? Yes, obviously, right? Beautiful. Okay, now you tell me one thing. Okay, now you tell me one thing. The same concept you will be applying to Docker. Okay, and tell me one more thing. When I am transferring the ball from India to New Zealand, the ball will have a ticket. Yes or no? How many of you say? Ticket is nothing but the acknowledgement that the ball is traveling from India to New Zealand with an ID. Yes or no? Can you tell me in this, can I say like source? Yes, receipt, destination, the weight of the ball, correct? The ID of the ball, the details of the ball. Do you agree with me? Yes? Now, beautifully, let's correlate the entire scenario with our real-time process. Now, this ball is equal to my, what is that? Can you correlate? What is this? My application. Yes, beautiful. It's a jar. And just 1 second, huh, guys? Just 1 second. Okay. The ball was an application and this is a container, correct? The container is actually a Docker container and the ship is nothing but a Docker. Very simple, very basics I am telling, okay? And now the ticket which the ball had or the jar had is nothing but the Docker file. Clear, everyone? The Jenkins had the Jenkins file, the Maven had POM.xml, and the Docker had has a Docker file. Simple, simple, very simple understanding. Now let's understand what is this ticket finally. Can anyone tell me like what is this ticket? The jar is converted into an image, and the image is converted into a container, and the entire process is done with the help of Docker. Okay. And for the entire process to work, the Docker needs a configuration file called Dockerfile. People on YouTube, are you clear? Okay, so much love people are giving. Okay, clear? Is it necessary to store artifact before Docker? Yes, it's good. Okay. Okay. Now let's understand some sample Docker files. Okay. All of you, please write down in your notebook. Okay. All of you see here. Guys, all of your eyes on the screen, please. Seeing all of you? Okay, before this, let me tell you one thing. Okay. Now you see, all of you see here, there are some capital letters. Correct? Yes. There are some capital letters. So these are called Docker file, you can say like keywords, or the important start point for a Docker file. From, work directory, copy, expose, entry point. And if you see here, from JDK, work directory, a folder, copy the jar file from your laptop to the container, and port number where the application will run, and the starting of the application. Please write down in your notebook. Everyone, those who are watching me on YouTube also, you can write down this. Okay, Devansh has some questions. Is it necessary to store before artifact? Is it an issue? Yes, it's necessary. Store artifact. It's important to store it. Okay. 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 You want to see that. Okay. Yeah. Sorry. Just write this one. Don't write this hashtag and all. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. What is war file? War file. See, when the name of the package changes, let's say one is speed post, one is a normal post. Correct? For the speed post, the cost is a little bit high. Correct? So you can consider like the war file. When I am making a war file out of my code, it's little bit powerful than your jar file. Okay. And it's a web-based application. War, web, it's directly dealing with the, you can say like all the UI, front end and back end things are there. Old versions of the applications were having web, okay, web related data. But jars are you can say like a single file, which mostly serves your backend part. Okay. Have you written everyone? Okay, Anjali, please write it. These are the points I will tell again, right? Oh, sorry. This, okay, from work directory, copy, expose. Okay, you missed expose. Okay. Now I will tell again, this is a Docker file, which is helping you to convert your jar into a Docker image. Okay. So when we talk about we are taking the base for our image or container. So what happens is, you understood, right? The Jenkins had a Jenkins file, Maven had a POM.xml, Docker had a Docker file, and the from command in the Docker file will set the base of the container. So you can consider like OS or the base system or base image where my remaining tasks will run. Okay. So when I tell from, it's basically creating a base image for me, base structure for me. And on top of that, you all know, right? Different directories in Linux, /opt/var. So similarly, I will make my base directory as /app. I will copy the jar from my laptop. See here, from my laptop to this place, and I will expose that jar 8080, and I will run with the help of entry point command. Is it making sense to everyone? Yes. Vignan, have you joined? Yes or no, you tell me. Then I can tell you. Okay. So it will be mostly like, you can say like till May end. So every week, 3 sessions, you can calculate. Okay. Till May end. Okay. Durga, is it heavy? Okay. So you just remember this one. Okay. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So what we are doing is from image. Okay. Then what is that after from? Work directory, where we are setting the work directory as this, and under this folder only our jar will get copied. So the next thing is copy the jar into this directory, and then finally the entry point to start the application. From command is called base image. Work directory is for work directory. Copy the jar, entry point to start the jar. Making sense? Okay. Sai, thanks. So I will put this, whatever Sai has put. Okay. Yeah. Expose is basically, see, every application should run on a port. Okay. So that is your port number then. Okay. So it will run on a port number 8080. Yes. Application port, basically. Have you all written in your notebook? What about YouTube people? Have you all written? Yes. Okay. Guru is telling some queries helping. Can we take the screenshot? Okay, take it, please. I don't have issues. You can take it, post it on LinkedIn also. So let me tell you, yesterday the LinkedIn got flooded, guys. So just see here. Okay, you already did Muhammad Ali Khan. Okay. So what Muhammad is telling, POM.xml by Praveen, more to come. Okay. Oh, you have written notes also. Okay, that's great. So let me see your notes. That's great, man. Okay. Keep doing this and put a good profile picture, na Mohammed. Why your LinkedIn ID is like this? Oh, you are from Australia. You are staying in Australia. Okay, good. Okay, put everything. Do good work on your LinkedIn. Okay, you can do that definitely. Okay, right. All of you clear? Have you taken the screenshot of this? Yes. Okay, now you want to see how the Python file is converted into the container? You want to see that also? This is Java. Usually, this is the base use. On top of that, if organization gives any requirement, we will go ahead with that. Okay. Okay, let's see. Now, this is for Java. Let's see Python also. Okay. See, I'm not going to touch base on commands, how you convert hands-on and all those things, because batch 11, we are going to do in-depth all those things. As of now, this is a base. Okay. Right. So all of you see here, what was the query I gave initially? The prompt. Okay. Now I will open the chat for everyone. Okay. You tell me what prompt you will give, just to make you understand. In organization, we can use ChatGPT, but never give the organization data to ChatGPT. Okay. So they will track it. Just give the prompts. Okay. What prompts you will give? Okay. Jar to, no, I need the proper prompt. You don't tell me like you will put like jar to Python. No, you tell me your own prompt. You don't copy or don't think about this one. People on YouTube, what prompt you will give? Anyone, what prompt you are going to give? Guys, the chat is open for everyone. You guys are typing, right? Give me the Docker file for Python. Okay, this is simplest and sweetest one. Maybe it's very simple. Example of a Docker file to convert. Okay, first we will try this one. If it is giving or not. Give me Docker file for Python. Okay, it gave. Simple and sweet. Okay. Now, simple Docker file for Python. Yeah, I think this is enough. So all of you see here, for Python, you took the base image, you took the work directory, you copied the entire code. Here, there is no jar for Python. That's what the difference is. For Python, you copy the entire code onto the container. Is it clear, Pramila and everyone? Yeah. And you run some dependencies, you expose, you set the environment, and you run the code. The only difference you see is here. Okay, copy entire code. So that's why Python doesn't have any build tool. Python Maven cannot do that. It's just like you copy entire thing. भैया आज बहुत ऊपर से जा रहा है. अरे you just remember कि Python के लिए ये डॉकर फाइल यूज करते हैं. Give me the prompt in chat. Okay, राजकुमार, ये आप चैट जीपीटी खोलो. ठीक है, अभी you hit that and you just notice the difference between both the files. This is for Docker. You remember also, that's fine. Okay, Suresh, people will cry now. Okay, if I go next code Node.js, I don't want to take it that risk. Okay. ठीक है. So we will only see the two things. Okay. And you can share this in LinkedIn also. Okay, I will not go with Node.js and other code base that we will see in batch 11, not now. Okay, now you tell me, we covered so many things from start of this class. Okay. People are doing before ChatGPT, they have to write it or Google it. Okay. So let's say ChatGPT I don't have. I will take this prompt and I will hit it in the Google. So ChatGPT is also like a database, right? It will collect all the data from various resources. That's what it is doing. Yes or no? You guys know, right? ChatGPT is just collecting the data. Yes. Okay, beautiful. Now, you saw so many things in class. Okay, now let me ask you one question. One straightforward question. If you have seen, the next week classes are not scheduled yet. Okay. So have you seen the next week classes are not scheduled yet? Yes. You have seen only the free DevOps course has 4 classes only. Okay. So next week classes, we will finalize based on some things. Okay. So that we will roll out accordingly. Right. And now you tell me, how many of you have not joined batch 11 and are still there here in free course? How many of you? I just need the names. I will not do anything with you. Okay, Mohit, Nikhil, what about others? How many of you there? Lokesh, Monica, Safe, not join. I am only talking about not join because probably the next class, you might not have Zoom. That's why I am asking you. Okay, so we will plan something else. Okay, so that's why I am asking. How many of you have not joined the batch 11? Okay, so few people are there. Okay, those who are from previous batches, it's up to you, you join or not, but I'm talking about the new people, those who have joined or not. Okay. So let me tell you guys, right? Bharti is there, Sujata is there, Ishwar is there. So what are your plans? You want to join batch 11 or you feel that, no, Praveen, I will learn from my own. Like, because after this class, right? After this, if I end the Zoom, you will not have contact with me, direct contact. Okay. So I'm just trying to understand what is stopping you to come to batch 11. If you are enjoying these classes, we can take it to the next level, right? So I'm just understanding from your perspective, what are your pain points and what best I can do for you. Okay. Right. No, it's not the last session. Probably the next session will not be on Zoom because you know, right? Zoom needs storage. Zoom needs access. Zoom needs license. So whatever you guys are here, it will be, everything is paid by me, right? Directly by my team. So that's what I'm telling. So what is stopping you? That I can help you. Right. So probably the next class you will not have on Zoom. So I cannot connect with you directly. Like now I am seeing your names like Rajakumara is there, Ishwar is there, Sujata is there. So that's what I'm trying to understand. Okay, Nikhil is telling having timing issue, morning timing, not able to join. Okay, so all of you are issue with timing. Yes, I want to join batch 11 yesterday. I missed you chat. Please give me. Okay. What about certificate? Certificate, you will get it. No issues with that. We will take care of that. No issues. I would like to inform due to medical emergency, I went to Mumbai and returned today and saw your old post on LinkedIn and YouTube. Okay. Shall I continue the course in between from today or continue? You have to continue the previous classes. Timing issue. Okay. Okay. Saturday I'm working, so can't connect 6 p.m. Okay. Now all of you see here, those who are telling about the timing issue, tell me one thing. You guys you guys are thinking to stick to your current job only. So if there is a timing issue, you set the time now. There are recordings for you, which will be for 2 years. If you are not upskilling now, you will not upskill later because later the price will be more. Okay. Or someone at higher price will teach you. Or someone whom you don't know, you will join because you need to get the job offer at that point of time. Right? So what I am telling is, if you feel safe with me, if you feel comfortable, if you feel that the relationship established in last 2 weeks, right? If you feel that, okay, with Praveen, I am safe, I can learn many things. These are just 20-30% of the things, but in batch 11, I will continue. Then I'm literally telling you guys, you can definitely come on board with us. Give it a try with what you can expect in batch 11. Give a try, right? And I'm guaranteeing you that you will learn so many things. Whatever you have not seen in this class, definitely in the first few sessions, you will learn that. So what I'm trying to do is, I'm not going to tell you, you join, you join. All the things are done from my end. I have told many a times to you guys, if you feel comfortable with my teachings, if you feel comfortable with my learnings, with whatever I have done for the community, with whatever I have shared with the community, with whatever I have experienced with the community, I can give you one last chance to enroll with us. Why last chance? Because very honestly, the timings, if you are in the WhatsApp group, you might know that the coupon code should be changed by now. If you have seen the WhatsApp group, I'm not sure how many of you are actually there in the WhatsApp group. I'm giving you one last chance to be with me in batch 11. Okay. And in next few minutes, you see the coupon code is gone. Okay. So I just wanted to make sure you take the advice. So I just wanted to understand from you, if you are comfortable, you can definitely enroll. Mock interviews, I will take. If you are interested, I will take. Okay. If Lakshman, if Venkatramana, if you are interested, I will take your mock interviews. I will take your resumes directly. Okay. So tell me, you guys are with me from last 2 weeks. And every day documents we have shared, assignments we have not shared. Okay. Pawan, so let me tell you, you can go outside and search. I don't have any issues. Okay. I'm only concerned with the people, those who are having timing issue. Okay. If any other issues, you can search, go Amirpet, go Bangalore, learn from anywhere, learn Udemy, 399 courses there. You learn from Udemy, right? Why live sessions? Why I am shouting with you all? Why I am teaching in live? I love teaching in live because live interaction is good. Whatever you put, I am seeing. If you have a doubt, I will give access to talk, right? So that's a different thing, right? So there are many options in India. You have to choose. So anyone who can enroll now, you can let me know your name. Okay, now. No 1 hour, no half an hour, nothing. Now, if you want to do it, do it. I'm there in the meeting. If not, once the Zoom is ended, the next classes for the free DevOps course will not be on Zoom. We will update you in WhatsApp groups, in other groups also, wherever you are there. In YouTube also, I will update, right? Where the next classes will be on. Okay. So probably your interaction with me might be the last class on this platform. And next, we will take it on the new platform. Okay. Right. Okay, great, Pramila. I know you. You were in batch, some batch. I remember your name. Okay, great, Vigna. Okay, so anyone who is willing to enroll, can you give your name? Yes, Nikhil, little bit. We will touch base. Okay, anyone, Ravi Kumar? Okay, you can enroll. I will be there in this live. I will be there. Okay, and I'm giving this live batch 11 link now. You can go ahead. So Chandra is telling batch 11. Chandra and your team, please try to understand, if you have purchased the course without batch 11 one-to-one mentorship, it means that it's already purchased. Okay. So there is no changes in that. You cannot get again this one. Clear? That's one thing. Okay. I'm making it clear again and again to your entire batch. I think 3-4 people are there. So that's the thing. Okay. I have shared your batch number 11 in my college group and friends circles. Thanks, Mohammed. That will be really help. One of our friends will update them by today after this session. Thanks, Rajan. Okay. So guys, anyone if you feel that, Praveen, this price is high, I'm requesting you, you can search outside or you can follow the live sessions, free live sessions. I don't have any issues. Okay. I have enrolled in your batch 11 course today. Also, I have taken one-to-one, but how will you get mentorship? Yes. So Palak, once the batch starts, we will discuss about the one-to-one mentorship, how that is happening. Okay. So don't need to worry. Okay, Palak? Until you are with me on the process, no need to worry. All the things you will get emails and WhatsApp. Okay. Okay. Anyone who is enrolling, please let me know your name. And once this meeting is cancelled, right after that, you will see the price change. Okay. The price will be hiked much. So I'm giving you a chance. If you are with me, you can definitely go there. Okay, Chandra, I got a coupon to buy batch 10 one-to-one mentorship. Will it work? Or I can use batch 10? No, batch 10 also it will work. Chandra, if you are buying batch 10 with that coupon and opting for one-to-one mentorship, you can use for batch 11 also. Like anytime you are connecting with me, right? So that's clear. Need your help. Some of them are dummy as they having infra back. No, nothing like dummy and all. You guys have infra experience. So that's a good experience. I have network issue. Have you given any resolution to timing issue? Timing, Manpreet, simple, right? So morning classes and weekend. So you will be full of fresh energy. You join morning. If you are missing, recordings will be there on the same day. Recordings will be given. Okay. Clear? Right. So other platforms, 50,000, 60,000, 30,000, you guys decide. Okay. Anyone enrolling? Oh, we don't have evening class, Manpreet. Okay. Yeah. Yes, Vignan, or two times. We can split it. No issues. Yes, credit card also you can use it. No issues. Credit card, debit card, uh, EMI, anything you can take it according to your interest. Let me see what people are telling. Free course certificate. Okay, Pravalika is asking free course certificate. We will update you. Okay, we will update you about that. Oh, Guru is with us. Will there be a batch 11? See, batch 11, oh, sorry, batch 12, little bit time taken. Okay. Guru, I am always getting confused which option has to keep in from. Oh, okay. Guru, that's what one of the issue is. If I conduct Zoom sessions, I'm not able to talk with people on YouTube. Correct. So we will plan the next session. Vijay, you put in the chat. Okay. Nothing like contact and anything. You can put in the chat. We will take your query. Okay. Okay, so if anyone is completing our course, you will get something like this certificate, okay, of completion. Okay, so Vignesh from which batch? Batch 7, okay. So he got the certificate. Okay, you posted. So Manpreet, already date is added in the website, March 3rd or 4th week. So either of that week, you will get the details. Mock interviews, I will only take. Mock interviews is different, Anmol, okay? Mock interviews is different, so don't need to worry. Okay, so I am still waiting for people and I'm telling you this will be the fact. If you want to see whether the coupon code is changed or not, go once the Zoom is ended, you will see that the coupon code is applied. New coupon code will come. Okay. And the price will be very much high. Okay. Your expectations, you can understand. So already like 1 week is gone. Okay. And people needs to understand. Okay. Right. So any queries you have, I will take your queries. Right. Yes, I know that. I wanted to make sure like people are getting at 4,000, 5,000 rupees, everything that they need to get a job. Uh, there is certain things which they also need to acquire, like how they are learning in public, what are the skills that they need to learn and all. And those who are offer mentorship, please make sure that, okay, not login, right? Book your seat. So those who are opting for one-to-one mentorship, you guys please wait. Okay. You will get a separate email. If you are buying this, you will get a separate email. If you are buying this, you will get a separate email. Okay. Because for every purchase on the website, you will get different emails. Non-IT persons, how to get job? That person, no experience in IT. See, non-IT, you have to convert your experience. Shrikant is asking. Okay, you don't worry, Shrikant. I will take care of that. Hey, Guru, thanks a lot, yaar. We will meet. Okay, we will talk soon on LinkedIn Live. Okay, waiting for English batch. English, I don't know. Okay, we will discuss, Shrikant. Okay, no issues. Yes, and one more thing, whoever is interested for mock interview, I will take for them only. Okay. See, Guru, I don't think you are there in the live, but yeah, Sam Tech 350. What is your channel? This one? Go to channel. Let's see. टेक का ज्ञान, फ्यूचर का उड़ान। अरे वाह। कैसे कैसे तुम लोग नाम रखते हो यार चैनल का। Okay, guys, chill. Go ahead. If you are there with me, go ahead. After that, don't ask again. Anything, I will not connect with you for sure. That is one thing, right? One-to-one mentorship, you see that you read Venkatramana. Okay. I'm sharing this link. You read it. What is there in that? You read it. Okay. Okay. Anyone? Guru is brand and please live with Guru Devops father. Guru is brand. Please live with Guru Devops father. Okay. Right. Hi, sir. I am working. Can you please explain how to survey non-IT person? Survive या survey? With the real-time things only you have to do. Okay. Okay. Anyone enrolling for batch 11, guys? Anyone? Are you enrolling? Anyone? Just I am trying to understand. Okay. Amol is enrolling. Anyone else? Okay. Lakshman Rao. What about others? You guys don't want to be with me? Or you still feel that, okay, will I learn something or not? What he will do? Why are you having doubt? I don't know. Vignan, see how many people I'm talking now? You saw, right? I know you by name, Lakshman, Venkatesh. So until like I know people, it will be easy for me. Bharti, no Telugu batches. Okay. If you want Telugu videos, you can check in the website. Telugu videos will be there. Already a batch is completed. You can check that. Okay. Any questions? Anyone? Any questions? Any thoughts? Coupon code is invalid. Already it's invalid. No, don't tell that. Okay. Oh, it's there, brother. Okay. Abhijit, you joined batch 11? Yes. Okay. This is the email. Okay. You can always reach out. Any queries? You email. Yeah, Sai, you can drop off. No issues. Okay. Those who are done, you can drop off. Okay. Shailesh has posted on LinkedIn. Let's see his LinkedIn post. Okay, great. Yes, yes. 7:30. I have marked it, Rupali. Those who want to drop off, you can drop off. Okay. Those who want to continue in the batch 11, you can stay. We will discuss some more things. Harshita, where you have paid 20,000? Harshita is telling which institute. I will not take the name. You can tell me. Yes, yes, I have marked the attendance. Guys, those who don't want to enroll for batch 11, you can drop down. Okay, software solutions. Okay. See, Harshita, 20,000 you have given. It's up to you. I will not suggest you, Kiar, you come with me, you come. No, it's up to you. Yes, asking parents is a little bit difficult because you have already asked 20,000 with them. It's up to you. Okay. Okay, so many notifications I am getting. Let's see. Likita. Sure. Madanachari. Yes, Harshita. Correct. No, Dilip. Now it's not possible. Okay. But if you want batch 10 videos, we can do that. Not mentorship. Once you have taken the batch 11, without mentorship means it will be there. Okay. So what you do, if you need the batch 10 videos, you can mail us. Okay, we can help. Attendance is done locally. Okay. You can drop. Harshita, that's what I'm telling. Okay. You just take batch 11. Don't take maybe mentorship and all. Okay. Because you already paid 20,000. It will be a little bit more risk with your parents also, right? They will ask like, Arey, why are you doing this? Every time you are, oh, okay, wasting money and all, they will tell, right? Okay, today opportunity to get. Okay, great. Yes, Sundar Rao. Venkatesh, it will take time. Not every day Microsoft will give us a chance to come to their office, right? No, you can connect with me in the class, Harshita, right? People will be there. You can connect with me. So no issues then. Okay, those who want to drop off, you can drop off from the Zoom, guys. Okay, you don't need to wait. Okay, if you are taking batch 11, then you wait. Sure. Thanks, Rajan. You guys can drop off. Those who don't have anything, you guys can drop off. I don't have any queries. Okay, and one more thing. What is the process of payment, Sujata? All of you see here, I will tell again. Okay. You just go to our website, this batch 11, and click on book your seat. Okay. Or I will directly give you a link, which is with coupon code already applied. If you see here, the coupon code is applied. You can click on this link. It will take you to the direct payment page. Yes. No, Fatima. Okay. Nothing like that. No, you cannot enroll. Manpreet, for sure you cannot enroll. I'm telling you right away. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, accept my connection request. Done. Okay. See, I am sending you connection, man. You are asking to accept connection. Where is your comment? Accept my connection request. Did you send any connection request to me first of all? So I am sending you. Okay, just accept that. No, no, Reshma, you can drop off. Okay. Anyone who has enrolled batch 11 or you don't have any queries, your attendance has been taken, you can drop off, but just make sure that you are keeping an eye on YouTube channel and you are sharing this channel link with your friends for learnings. Okay. So if you have anything like college groups or anything like learnings, if any of your friends are looking out for job, you can share them this playlist where I have cracked Amazon, Walmart, Paytm, SAP, Dun& Bradstreet, Adobe, Microsoft. Okay. You can share them this. It will be good. Right. Monica, thanks a lot. Definitely love you all. And you can connect with me on Instagram also. So this is my ID. Okay. I already shared my friend. They are watching your YouTube. Great. So guys, you can check out my Instagram also. I usually share all the content topics and everything here. Just click on this link. Okay. And you can have an idea. Okay, Bharati. Thank you. Hey, this is the Instagram link. Okay, you guys can actually have an idea. What is the issue of the option of recorded videos for extra? If 2 years access of this course is there, then the recorded videos will be there for 2 years, isn't it? Right. So the batch 10 recorded videos are for those people, those who are looking out for job right now. Correct. In the 2 weeks, 3 weeks, if you want to prepare, you can take that. Certificate of the free course, 75% of the time, we will roll out based on some requirements. Okay, some attendance, some requirements. We will update that. Okay, if needed, we will roll out for few people. Okay, according to like how the attendance is, how many times you are joining the session and all those things. We will that. And Zoom for the next week, we will plan it accordingly. Not like I cannot guarantee right now. Yes, Reshma, I cannot guarantee like I'm giving you the next week Zoom classes, right? So I will tell that based on our pricing, our data, our storage cost and all, we will calculate and again inform that. Okay, right. And you can see here how our students have got placed. Okay, so many placements are there like this. So you can definitely check some interview questions of Teradata, right? It will be good if I attach this. What is the course tab? Is it today? No, Sompalli, there will be classes. Okay. And we will update you where the next class will be. Okay. I joined batch 11 yesterday, but couldn't find the option of one-to-one mentorship. Will there be another opportunity to purchase the mentorship add-on? No, Adimola. That's what I'm telling. It's a one-time purchase only, right? For mentorship, it's one-time purchase, right? So we will meet in the batch 11. So no worries. Okay. No worries. Okay. One last question, guys. Anyone? I have taken the attendance long back, Razia. I have told if you don't have queries, if you don't want to join batch 11, you can drop off. Okay. And same goes with YouTube Lab also. If you guys don't have any queries, if you guys don't have any questions, you can drop off. Okay. Not Instagram, sorry. Okay. One final question to all. Okay. One final question. Anyone enrolling for batch 11? Yes or no? If you are telling no, we will wind up the class right away. If you are telling me yes, I can wait for 5 more minutes. Anyone from the class? From the Zoom class, basically. From YouTube? Can you share the timings? Timings is morning 9:30. Here are the timings. If you see, right? Morning 9 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. to 12 IST. Okay, lab environment is integrated in the website. You can see here, but we will do mostly on AWS and Azure. Okay, so anyone who is willing to enroll for batch 11, no prerequisites, Amol. Already I have told you, right? No prerequisites. Amol, coupon code is working? No? It worked after struggle. Okay. Let's see some DevOps job opportunities. Okay. If anything is there on LinkedIn, let's see. Oh, sorry. Harman is hiring 6 to 9 years. Okay. Because these all are my positions, guys. Okay. Because I am close to 7+ years of experience, 7 to 9 years. You will see all the roles are according to my experience. Okay. You might get your role experience. So Paytm is hiring, and that too in an easy apply option. Senior DevOps. World Play. Oracle is hiring. Oh, Airtel Digital. Oh, Airtel Digital is hiring. EPAM is hiring. Guys, all the good companies are hiring. Visa is hiring. Rakuten is hiring. Okay, let me connect with her. I usually connect with HRs. Okay. Principal system. All the good companies are hiring, guys. Very good. Very good. Okay. Apurva, it depends. Okay. I can tell you, I will provide the best knowledge, best skill. We both will try for a job. Okay. You can enroll yourself for batch 11. Oracle, Fusion, SAP. SAP is also hiring. Senior Cloud Infrastructure Automation Specialist. Okay. Citrix is also lead release management engineer. Oh my God. LTI Mindtree. Networking. Okay. Okay. In Zoom, how many of you are looking out for job? Like right now. Are you guys looking out for job right now? Yes. Okay. Abhijit, Kalyan, Shamal, Rahul. Okay. And is your experience matching like 5+ years? Right now, whatever I'm showing, are you getting the idea? If you feel that, Praveen, I am 6+ or 5+ years, start applying for jobs. Don't wait till batch 11 also. Are you getting me? So what will happen by the time batch 11 starts, you will have some failures or some interview process in line. And by the time batch 11 starts, anyways, I'm going to share you interview questions, the mock interviews, the feedbacks, the projects and all. it will help you much more. Okay, so Suresh has posted something. He's asking me to check. Day 4. Hey, Suresh, you are doing great, man. I have seen your documents. Very good. Okay. And you can share the batch 11 links also with your friends. Okay. Let's say Harshita, let me tell you, okay, you already paid 20,000 to your friends, right? Correct. I mean, some other institute, you paid to learn DevOps 20,000. Yes or no? That's what from first you are telling me. Correct? Yes or no? Yes. So what I can do is, let's do this. If you can help me, any of your friends joining this batch 11, okay? You understood, right? Any of your college friends, and you already paid 20,000 to some institute. How was the knowledge? Did they give good knowledge, or it was like not that great? What is your take on that? Where you paid 20,000, I'm talking about that. Was it good? You learned something new, or they didn't took the classes? What is your status right now? You learned. Then why you are joining again batch 11? Something new. Then why you want batch 11 again? Okay, so that's what I'm telling you. Didn't do the projects. They didn't give you projects, right? Okay. So what you do, I can give you here. Okay. Friends maybe looking out for job or looking out for learnings, right? So let me give you some help here. If you feel that is a good help, you do that. Okay. Okay. So you can see here, I have texted you. Okay. So if you feel that, okay, your friends are there, anything, if you feel you can help them also, then we will definitely discuss some things. Okay. So Suresh is asking to connect with him. Guys, you have to send me connection. You guys are asking. Okay, you have sent. Okay, good. And you have 1,200 followers also. That's good. Suresh, why you guys share the batch 11 link also na, in this document. You tell them that Praveen is teaching batch 11. You guys join. Why you guys are not doing? Okay, my friend Darren Lester is speaking. Okay. Okay, you can enroll still. I'm waiting. Okay, give me the link. Link to join free batch is here. Okay. You click on this link, it will take you to the all the courses. Okay, so Akansha, clear na? Batch 11, already it is at discounted price. I think you joined little late. Okay. What should I prepare before batch 11? Okay, very good question. Okay. So guys, those who have joined batch 11, there will be some prerequisites which will be starting, okay, soon. So you need to complete that. I will have a proper structured content for you, right? And then we will enter into the batch 11 course. The prerequisites are not mandatory because you have already joined this free sessions. Your understanding is good. You understood how I teach. So don't worry about that. Yes, clear? Harshita, see, I have given you the email. If you have some things to talk, you can definitely email. My team will take care next things. Okay, clear, no? So I have told you like what you can do if you are feeling or struggling something with your current situation. You can take decision accordingly. Okay. Yes, DevSecOps is also there. I think I have told about the topics very clearly. So you can see here, the first itself is the first project itself, you will have something like DevSecOps. Okay. Yeah, thanks. Okay, those who don't want to join batch 11 or you don't have any queries, you can drop off. I'm again telling, okay? So don't tell me like I waited for till this time and all those things. It's up to you, okay? Hi, sir, I am working as an application support engineer with 3 years of experience. After completing your course, can I application support engineer? Yes, boss, you are already a genuine experience candidate shift, right? So you can definitely do that, okay? So this is the batch 11 link. Enroll here. I have given the batch 11 link to you guys. Okay. From this Zoom, do you still want me to wait? Anyone? Are you guys enrolling? Anyone? Please help me how to get a job. Yes, Venkateshwar Rao. That's why I'm here. Okay. No, I'm not talking about enrolled people. Enrolled people, I am aware. Like all of your names, I remember. Okay, Vijay. Uh, I remember Jata. Okay, like few of you, those who are chatting with me, right? So I remember. No issues. Discount is there, Akansha. So already the coupon is applied. You can check here in the coupon, right? 70% off as of now it's running. Yes, Samiran, okay? So once you do the book your seat now, your coupon code will be there, okay? If you want to opt for one-to-one, you can click on this or this based on your interest, okay? So I'm just giving the direct link. Okay, guys, anyone who is enrolling? Last 1 minute. Yes or no? I don't want to waste your time. Neither I want to waste my time. Okay. So I'm just asking one final time. Anyone is interested for batch 11? Yes, I will wait. No, I will end the session right away. And we will meet. I will roll out, my team will roll out all the plans for the next coming week. Yes, you are enrolling. Okay, I will wait. Akash, I will wait. No issues. Yes, for Akash, I will wait. Except Akash, rest all of you can drop off from the class. Okay. I see many students are here in Zoom. Guys, you can drop off. No issues. Okay. You can drop off. If you are not opting for batch 11, feel free to drop off. No issues. I will only have Akash with me and those who want to enroll for batch 11. Okay. Rest all you can drop off. Akash, this is the direct link. You can use it. Okay. No. Gopi Krishna does. No, Akansha. Great. Tejashwani, thanks a lot. Yeah, attendance long back taken. I told you at 7:30 only. Ram, no, it's not possible. Yeah, money, it's up to you. You can do that. No issues. Okay. Except Akash, rest all of you can drop off this. No prerequisites. Jai Sudan, Jayasudan, Jayasudan R, right? No prerequisites, nothing. You guys know like how I teach and everything. You just have to focus on learning. Okay. Except Akash, rest all of you can drop off. Akash. Okay, money. Autodesk. Guys, yes, Autodesk has laid off and I have received many messages in my LinkedIn. Okay. I think the same message I have seen LinkedIn also. Money, I can understand for joining here also, right? So please, please. Okay. Okay, except Akash, all of you can drop off, guys. Why you guys are on still on Zoom? You are either not joining batch 11. You want to hear me talking? You can drop off. People on YouTube, if you don't want to join batch 11, you can drop off. Okay. Batch 10, different content, batch 11, different content. You might see in website same, but the teachings will be completely different. Okay. Projects will little bit will be different here. Yeah, Mani, you enroll for batch 11. Okay. No issues. Can a Azure DBA become a DevOps engineer? Yes, Advait. Definitely. Okay. Six triple nine. No, no. Ram, I think 1 second. I'll tell you. If it is showing six triple nine, either you have taken this or this. So opt out for one. Okay. If you don't want batch 10, opt out. If you don't want this, opt out. I am 2016 mechanical BTech pass out. Okay. So, Akansha, you can watch that. No issues. Okay. Okay. Someone. Okay. Please tell me I am eligible. In 2016 mechanical pass out, 2021 July, still doing job in one company working. What are your current job? Venkateshwar Rao. 2017 to 2021, doing small companies, but PF runs. What are you doing? Okay, just 1 second, guys. Okay, for Venkateshwara, mechanical AutoCAD engineer, it will be difficult. Okay. Okay, those who have enrolled for batch 11, you will get an acknowledgement, Monica. Okay. And under your course tab, beside the free course, there will be a batch 11 course also added to your website. Okay. So Akash, have you done or any issues you are facing? आकाश भाई हो या नहीं भाई पहले ये देखते हैं है कि नहीं भाई आकाश इज देयर guys if you don't have any queries you can drop off watch your cricket match no issues Advait Afroz you can drop off no issues ठीक है Afroz Advait Alok Pradhan Anjani Anusha Singampalli okay so you are my sister okay Aslam Mohammed Shakli Krishna Divya Isha Jitendra Kavita Monica Pravalika Vinod Anusha where are you from if you are listening me okay good Venkateshwara you have to upskill right I didn't told like the learnings is waste I told getting a job is difficult how you will manage you will go backdoor you will go like putting the fake certificates it's up to you I don't have any issues okay okay anyone enrolling no right okay done so thanks a lot you will see a coupon code new coupon code getting replaced okay the existing coupon code will be changed right after this meeting so those who have joined all the best I would love to see you all in batch 11 okay those who have not joined you can think you can decide but after this meeting the coupon code will be changed you have to pay the new price okay right so all the best to everyone next week classes we will roll out either it will be on Zoom or on YouTube so any of the platform we will roll out because on Zoom I am not able to talk to YouTube people that's what I have noticed and YouTube people like see again they are talking my friend Akash Sutar has joined this course for batch 11, but he had a mistake. Batch 10 showing course purchase. He want to join batch 11. Hiren, the thing is, right? Let me tell you. See, once you have joined the batch 10, you will get all the content access. So tell your friend that the URL you see here, the batch URL is completely different. Okay. With batch 11. Okay. So that's what I don't know whether you have given to him or not. But make him understand that once the content is rolled out, the change of the batch is not possible. Okay, so just tell him. I hope he understood. Yeah, that's what I'm telling. So you would have shared him the wrong link or something would have happened. Just tell him that. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thanks a lot, guys. Okay, for joining. We will meet in the next session. And thanks a lot. Please take care. Ram, thanks a lot. Yeah. Thanks a lot for everyone joining this session. And please take care. Happy weekend. Bye. Happy weekend. Yes. Thanks a lot. Bye. Yeah.